Ever released a podcast episode only to discover a glaring error that makes you cringe? Don't worry, this video will show you how to swap out that faulty episode for a polished, updated version on Buzzsprout, so your listeners always get the best content. First, log into your Buzzsprout account and navigate to the Episodes tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your published podcast episodes live. Scroll through your list and locate the specific episode you want to replace. It's super important to choose the correct one, so double-check the title and date to be absolutely sure. Once you've found the right episode, click the three dots to the right of the episode title. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, select the Replace Episode option. This is the key to swapping out your old audio file. Now, you'll see a prompt to upload your corrected audio file. Click the Choose File button and select the updated episode from your computer. Make sure it's the correct file. Buzzsprout will begin uploading your new audio file. The upload time will depend on the size of your file and your internet connection speed. Once the upload is complete, Buzzsprout will display a confirmation message indicating that your episode has been successfully replaced, and that's it. You've successfully updated your episode. It might take a little while for the changes to propagate across all podcast platforms like Apple Podcasts and Spotify, so be patient. Consider spot checking in a few hours to confirm the new version is live everywhere.